Alright, let me be real with you. You want to play mobile games on your PC without all that annoying lag and stuttering? I have got you covered. I am going to show you exactly how to download, install, and set up MSI App Player in under 60 seconds. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button real quick, and let us jump right in. First thing first, just open up your browser and go to the official MSI App Player website. And hey, this is actually important. Always make sure you are on the real MSI domain because downloading from random sites is a one-way ticket to getting malware on your computer. Trust me, you do not want that headache. Once you are on the official page, just look for that big download button and click it. The installer file, which is a .exe file, will start downloading to your computer. Honestly, this part is super quick. Okay, so once the download finishes, go ahead and open the installer. Then just click the Install Now button. Now here's the thing. Your computer might pop up asking for administrative permission. Just click Yes or Allow. That is totally normal. After the installation is all done, launch the MSI App Player. Now you will need to sign in with your Google account. This step is super important because without it you cannot access the Play Store to download your games. So just pop in your email and password like you normally would. This last step is honestly the secret sauce. Go into the settings by clicking that gear icon. Then look for the Engine tab or the Performance tab. From there, allocate more CPU cores and more RAM to the player. This is what makes your games run buttery smooth without any lag. Do not skip this part or you'll be wondering why everything feels so slow. And that is it. You are all set up and ready to play. If this video actually helped you out, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and comment setup down below so I know it worked for you. Next time, I will show you how to double your FPS in any Android emulator for free. You definitely do not want to miss that one.
Subscribe now.